Hello everyone. Do you know about vicarious liability? If not, this video is for you. First, let's reintroduce ourselves. Hello, I'm Tanapriya Anaprampan Ramasamy.
Hello, my name is Nurmaisara binti Muhammad Yusof.
Hi, my name is a.aunisyafikah binti Abdullah.
Hi everyone, I'm sharing you.
Hi, my name is Nur Natasha Adila.
Okay, let's start. Yahoo! What is vicarious liability? Okay, vicarious liability is a situation in which one party is held partially responsible for the awful action of the third party. Vicarious liability is employer responsible to their employee's wrongful act. What requirements that must fulfill under vicarious liability? Okay, first, there must be a wrongful act that have done by employee. Second, there must be special relationship that exists such as employer and employee. Third, the wrongful act must occur within the course of employment.
Why employer must responsible to their employees? First, employer that employ the negligent employees. Second, employer fail to control the employees. Third, employer gets benefit from the employees. And then lastly, employer has a deeper pocket than their employees. So now, let's take a look at example of vicarious liability. John and his friend went for lunch at the Palace Hotel. They ordered sashimi, which is a raw seafood, as the main dish. Upon returning home, John felt unwell and vomit. He went to the hospital and found he had a food poisoning because there were parasites in his stomach that were in the sashimi that he ate at the hotel earlier. John acted to sue the hotel because the hotel had hired an irresponsible employee chef, and they also did not train the employee chef who prepared the sashimi properly so that he could serve the parasitic sashimi to the customers.
Let's take a look at case Muhammad Raihan vs Government Malaysia. The issue for this case is, does Muhammad Raihan successful to sue Government Malaysia under vicarious liability? The rules is, under law of tort, vicarious liability, plaintiff must fulfill all the requirements. First, there is a wrongful act. Second, must have special relationship. Third, wrongful act occur within employment time. The wrongful act is, teacher did not supervise people while they using cangkul, a dangerous tool, so that one people accidentally struck it on Muhammad Raihan head, making him suffer laceration and depressed fracture at his skull. Second, Government Malaysia and the teacher and also school has special relationship, which is employer and employee relationship. Third, the wrongful act occur in employment time because it happened while they are at school during the practical gardening lesson class. The court decision for this case is, the teacher was liable for not checking the condition of the tools and not provide a safe system of holding gardening class. Next, let's take a look at the real case in Malaysia. The case is about Nurul Husna Muhammad Hafiz versus Malaysian government, Selayang Hospital and 29 medical staff. The article title is Medical Negligence Court Awards Girl Age 9 2.78 million ringgit Malaysia. This article is written on 6 June 2014 and the sources is from Astro Awani News. Summary of the case. A young girl named Nurul Husna Muhammad Hafiz and her parents receiving awards from the Kuala Lumpur High Court for winning the case against Malaysian government, Selayang Hospital and 29 medical staff. The incident caused her to suffer severe brain damage at her birth on 22 July 2005, and she managed to receive a sum of 2.78 million ringgit Malaysia for winning the case. Let's see how this case related to legal principle. Case issues. This case issue is whether Nurul Husna Muhammad Hafiz and her parent, Dr. Nur Azalina Muhammad Songib and Muhammad Hafiz Abdul Wasid, successful to sue Malaysia government and Selayang Hospital for vicarious liability. Rules under vicarious liability. To success under vicarious liability, first, there must be a wrongful act. Second, there must be a relationship that exists. And the third one is the wrongful act must occur in the time of employment.
Let's see if the requirement has fulfilled.
First, Selayang Hospital employee had do the wrongful act, which is their negligence during delivery and Nurul Husna postpartum treatment that caused her to suffer brain damage from birth. Next, the special relationship also exists because Malaysia government and Selayang Hospital have special relationship with the 29 medical staff, which is employers and employees relationships. Last, this incident also happened while they were on duty because Nurul Husna's mother gave birth to her at Selayang Hospital, and she also treated by 29 members of medical staff of Selayang Hospital.
Now we enter about the court decision. After all the defendant pleaded guilty on 3rd September 2013, Kuala Lumpur High Court have decided the defendant must pay the damage to Nurul Husna parent, which her trustee, and the money will be used for her care. Total payment is 2.784 million. That includes special damages, pre-trial damages, general damages, pain and suffering, general damages and future care.